this looks like a child's bathing suit. Like, guys. So I tried Skims, hence the title. You guys can see this is a Skims video. I'm just gonna jump right into it. Like, honestly, I was skeptical because the prices are very, they're very high for one piece of clothing, one piece of like panty, bra, whatever. I saw all the hype. Everyone is reviewing Skims. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to jump on that boat. I'm going to review Skims too. So this would be my first time purchasing from Skims. I'm going to be giving you guys my honest review. Is it worth the money? Should you buy Skims if you're on the fence about it? I'm going to give you guys all the details about everything that I bought, and is it worth it or not? Also, watch to the very end because I tried, and I left the best for last. I tried this little thing that everybody's been trying, the shapewear, the thing that snatches you and makes you look super skinny. I'm gonna let you guys know. What I thought about it. So watch to the very end, and you already know, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, because I'm here with a video every single week. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing that I have on my haul today is this beautiful dress. I absolutely love this dress. I was skeptical at first when I opened it up. It came in this packaging, which, to be honest, guys, like, Kim can do a lot better. Like, my Fashion Nova clothes and my Temu clothes and other places I've ordered from come in like a lot prettier bags. This was like super cheap, and this is a lot more expensive. I'm gonna be posting here the price of everything that I have purchased, and my sizes also. Everything is gonna be linked below, just so you guys know. Back to this dress. I'm amazed with the dress. It is super form-fitting. This is, for me, enough coverage, enough, it holds it together. It kind of like, it hugs your body. It's not like loose-fitting material that I feel like it's gonna, like, my stuff is gonna slip out. No, so yes, like, you don't really need a bra for this. You can if you feel like you wanted more cleavage, and it's just thick enough that you could wear a strapless bra. So I like that. I like to have the option for that. Then it comes to the back. This is just like it's not even a material that I feel uncomfortable in. The material is really, really nice. It's not, I don't feel like this is tight on me. It is a little hard to walk in because it is so long, as you guys can see in the video, but it doesn't, like, it's not, I mean, I already knew it was long. It was probably going to be hard to walk in. It is double lined, so you are not see-through in any way. I'm going to get closer so you guys can see the material. You see, like, it's super, it's like, it feels like butter, honestly. I love this dress. I didn't think that I was gonna love it as much as I love it, but I really, really do love this dress. And as you guys can see, like, I think it looks amazing. So this is definitely a hit. I love this dress. On to the next. So what I wanted to do was like try just a few different things from Skims. So a dress, I wanted to try the swimwear, I wanted to try the underwear, and the shapewear, of course, because that's like the thing. So next is a bathing suit from Skims. The material is super thick. It is double lined. It has this cool zipper, so you can go as low as you want. I couldn't go very low because it was a little bit tight, and this is a size medium. It also has this see if you guys can see, it's like a gummy, like a plastic that keeps, it's like a grip that will keep it up here. Despite having the grip, I did feel like it could have, like, any wrong move and it would have been out the door. But I mean, I would still wear it. And the back was a little bit more full covered, and it's also lined. This, for me, maybe I should have gotten a bigger size, but according to the website, this was my medium, was my size. But I felt like maybe if I did a large, it wouldn't have, like, I felt that it was riding up and it was giving me a wedgie. But I still love it. I still think that it looks great on. It was also something, like, I feel like all the stuff that SKIMS has is stuff that really, like, holds you in together. So this bathing suit was very much something that did, like, bring everything in. And I love the color. They had different colors. To be honest, like, when I was on the website, I couldn't find too many things because a lot of the things were sold out, and especially in my size, they were sold out. So it kind of sucks because I would have maybe purchased different stuff or different whatever. But I do like this bathing suit. This is definitely a hit. And now that we're in summer, this is going to be used very often. Like I said, I'm literally unboxing this with you guys, so I haven't put this to the test, to the water test, but I feel like I'm not gonna have a problem with it because it is double lined. So good. This is good. And then next on my SKIMS haul is this shirt, this little tank top. It is ribbed. The material is very, very nice. It's lined, it's form-fitting. This is a medium. And for me, because the top area is larger, it was like kind of shorter in the front and longer in the back. So I think maybe it is meant to be like that, because here already you can see that the back is longer. So it gave a little bit of a little, like, not crop top, but it was getting there. And I know that they have this in different colors. The material is very soft. It was very comfortable. I maybe would have probably gotten a large because I wanted it to be a little bit looser because I thought it was that type of fit. But it's still very nice. I can wear this with jeans. I can wear this with shorts, whatever. I can wear this around the house. It is see-through, so I had to put a bra on it. If you guys don't care about that, then you already know. You already know how you don't care, then it doesn't matter. It's literally whatever you feel comfortable in. And next, I got these, right? I think these are the Fits Everybody thong, another like piece of item that everyone's been reviewing and stuff. Some people are saying that it really doesn't fit everybody. I did feel that it fit pretty loosely, and this is a medium. I bought 3 because it was like, I think it was like 3 for $36. I'll post the price. And actually these were like colors of underwear that I needed. I usually just go for like black, nude, white, like stuff like that. And I like that they don't have any, it's almost like seamless. There's no heart, like when you wear this with a tight dress, it's gonna be the minimal amount of like lines showing your underwear. Unfortunately, I had to try this on with the shorts, as you guys can see, because they were a little bit see-through and it was just a little bit much, and I didn't want to, you know, not break the internet because I know that there's much worse, but I'm still on the way to being monetized and I don't want to lose that opportunity. So sorry guys, it was just a little bit much. So I tried it with the shorts, but you guys get the picture, you get the idea. They are very, very comfortable. What else can I say about this? It's pretty much like, it is what it is. I've seen other panties similar to this from Victoria's Secret, but this material is a little bit softer than the Victoria's Secret one. But they are very comfortable. And then the amount of coverage in the front I felt was pretty good. I don't even know how to like say that. Like, I have a little bit more down there than maybe other people do. So I do appreciate when this is larger. So I bought it black, tan, and then like a nude color. And they're all very comfortable. They all fit the same. There's no inconsistency in the like between colors and all of that, because like I've said before, and when I have purchased from Shein, there is inconsistencies when you buy different colors, and I don't really like that. So I appreciate that it runs the same all around. And then lastly, guys, so this video is short because I didn't buy too many things. It is very expensive. I bought the shapewear. Let me tell you what it's called. I'm gonna post it here, I know, but it's called the Seamless Sculpt Thong Bodysuit, and the color is Onyx. It is a medium, but funny story, guys, like, here it is, and here it is. I have already put this on twice. This looks like a child's bathing suit. Like, when I unpacked this, it came in like a shapewear box thing, kind of like the ones you find at Macy's. I was like, what the? I'm like, who's getting into this? Who is fitting into this? Not me. And I was like bummed out. I'm like, my God, I'm gonna have to return it. I can't do this video. I have to get a different size. I was like, okay, fine, but let me try it on. Let me just see first. Well, you guys saw, I put it on. It stretched so much, but it was very hard to put on. But at the beginning, I'm like, my daughter can wear this and easily fit into this. Like, this is just, I was like, there's no way. I'm like, somebody sent me the child's bathing suit. Like, but it is. And since it's shapewear, you have to automatically assume that it's going to shape you, right? So it's not going to be easy to get into, because if it was easy to get into, it wouldn't be shapewear. Because the whole point of the shapewear is to shape you, is to put cinch your waist and your gut or whatever you got going on that you want to hide. It just brings everything in together, and it was very nice. It didn't, like, I thought that it might roll up because it doesn't have any like real seams like other shapewear has. It didn't roll up. It fit comfortably. I almost felt like I wasn't wearing shapewear, because I don't know if you guys have tried shapewear and fajas and stuff like that. They're very uncomfortable. They really are uncomfortable to wear, and this was so much the opposite of uncomfortable. I am like, good job, Kim. Like, I am so in love with this, and I'm so in shock that it fits so well. A little bit about this: it is adjustable on the straps. It does not come off, so you can't crisscross in the back. The material is very stretchy, but also hard at the same time. It is thong, as you guys can see. It is thong. It opens, which was nice. I just put it on like just like as a one piece. I didn't put it on over my head because I found that it was easier to just pull it up. And then the coverage in the front, it has a double line here. It's very good coverage in the front. It was not uncomfortable. There is no wire, so it's just you know, and the material is super comfy. It's super good. This is definitely a hit. The panties before are a hit too. And I'm going to show you guys now what it looks like on with a dress. I picked a dress that I had in my closet. It's from Fashion Nova, but this dress in particular has always been very difficult for me to get into. It is double lined, but it's just like a size too small, and I kind of like it once it's on, but it's very difficult to get on. So yeah, you guys can see here in the video, I look super snatched. Like, snatched is the word for this whole haul. This whole Skims haul is just snatched. Like, that dress looks good without this, but once I put this with that dress on, it changed the whole game. Like, it changed my whole dress game. So I'm kind of like really excited because I probably will wear this under many dresses. And another reason why I kind of really like it, not only because it snatches you, but I don't have to be worried about, sometimes like I don't want to wear a bra, you understand what I'm saying? And it's just like, if I put this on, it's kind of like I have a bra already, but I don't, because there's occasions, there's times that like I don't want like nipples to show or peek through, you know, stuff like that. You guys already know. And this, like, I killed two birds with one stone. I really did. Like, this is like a big hit. Like, it is worth the money. This is worth the money. This is definitely worth the money. My overall review of everything is a hit. Everything fits well. Would I spend more money on Skims? I don't think so, because I already have, you know, I have what I needed, unless it's like broke or something. Maybe I might get another one, because I have not found a shapewear that fits me like this. And I have multiple fajas from Amazon, from like whatever other popular brands there are. Like, I have a few and they don't fit like this. So some things are worth the money and some things are not. For example, like, I don't think this tank top here, I think it was like $36. I really don't think, although it was a hit, I don't think that it's worth the money. The underwear is kind of the same price as Victoria's Secret. So if you shop Victoria's Secret thongs, panties, whatever, it's kind of comparable to the price. So that was fine. This bathing suit was extremely expensive, I felt, for just being a bathing suit. So unless you got it like that and you want to like spend money on bathing suits, the quality is there. So it is worth the money in the sense of price, but it's just like, can I get a similar bathing suit that's still good quality for less money? Yes you can. So just take that into consideration when you are purchasing from Skims. Overall, I do really like the brand. I do really like the style of clothing. I do really like this dress. I would definitely buy it again and again in different colors, because like I said, guys, it is so comfortable and it is very much form-fitting. So a lot of her things are, like I said, snatched, form-fitting. Like, so it's up to you if you guys think that would be worth the money. Some things are yes, some things are no. And that's how the cookie crumbles. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I will see you again in the next video.